Slice up some tomato, cherry tomato, onion and peppers, cheese if you like. Cook up some chicken tender chopped up. Add some water to the top of the chicken, let it boil. Add the taco seasoning. Let it boil till it thickens. In the meantime, put your taco shells on, I put it on a pizza plate. I rub some butter on the bottom so they don't stick in the oven. So while this is cooking up, all this is chicken chopped up with the taco seasoning and water to just cover over the chicken. And that's the cheese if you prefer to put cheese on it. That is taco sauce that you just saw on the taco shells that I spread around. This is thickening now. And there's the taco shells. They're large ones. I use the Ortego taco sauce. And you put a few spoons in the middle of this on each taco. I get the mild taco seasoning mix. I know some people like it really hot. I don't. Of course, I'm very simple. That's why I have these simple, quick recipes. Now you add your onion and sliced tomatoes and some pepper. I just have some yellow peppers on here. And you can add some grated cheese. Basically whatever you like to put on your tacos. And this is going to go in the oven on 350. You can check them after 15 minutes and see how you like them. I like them really crispy, because I want the peppers and onion and that to cook up too. So you put more of this on the top after you put the tomatoes and pepper and onion on. Put more of the chicken stuff on top of that. Then you put a little more of the taco sauce. Fold them over. Pinch them so that they stick together. I mean, I'm no, big chef or anything. I don't do everything. Everything I do is like pretty simple. I'm kind of a picky eater. I don't eat a lot of, I just eat a lot of the more common dishes. So I like to just make things like this. Put a little bit more of the taco sauce on the top. Pinch that together. And put it in the oven. Like I said, check it after 15 minutes, unless you prefer it not to be as crispy. Yep, there I am in my pajamas. So they are nice and done.